Welcome to the Sustain project. In this video, I'll be showing you how to identify communities which are at risk along certain parameters using our Aperture visualization system. And to get to that, you can just go up to our site and go to the Aperture page under Services. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just choose some data to render. And what I'll render right now is census tracts. And I want to have, let's say, tracked internet access, and then also tracked social vulnerability. Let's see, right here. So now I've rendered these two. I want only the places where the data intersects between them, so I'll turn on intersections. This will help us find places which have high social vulnerability and low internet access, which is what we'll go ahead and go for here. So first, let's say places with high social vulnerability over 0.75. So that really narrowed down our search space. So let's zoom out so we have a lot of data to look at. Now, let's find places with only very low amounts of internet subscriptions per 1,000 households. So let's just bring that all the way down under, let's say 400 or so. So only a maximum of 4 in 10 households have an internet subscription. And that ends up giving us mainly just some places around our census tracts around the Four Corners area here. And then just one lone census tract here in California and a couple other ones in Arizona. And what that tells us is this area is very vulnerable along these parameters, social vulnerability and internet access. Now let's go ahead and try to find a point within these places which really maybe should get some attention. So let's just go ahead and find, let's say, public schools within these places. Let's turn that on. Now we can see all the public schools in this area. And as you can see, we have a lot of these are elementary schools in these areas. So that's interesting. Um, yeah, so as you can see, we've been able to quickly and easily identify places which have very low internet access, very high social vulnerability, and there's a school there, which is cool. Now we can kind of see if we can maybe focus our attention towards these schools or something. Yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.